My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Abdul Halim. My meeting number 270030. Construction technology. Construction technology involves study on methods of construction to successfully achieve the structural design with recommended specification. It also includes study of construction equipment and temporary work required to facilitate the construction process. What is process? A process is defined as a system of operation in the design, development, and production of something such as project. A process is a series of action, chains, or operation that bring about an end result cost, schedule, technical performance objective. A process is the course or passage of time in which something is created, an ongoing movement or progression. Construction process. The process of purchase begins with a client who has need for a facilities. The nature of risk is influence this process of purchasing construction. In construction, since the item purchased is to be produced, there are many complex issues which can lead to failure to complete the project in a functional. The construction process may be subdivided into the stage. First, conceptual stage. The client identifies the need for the item of construction and appoint and brief consultant who study the client's requirement, purpose on outline of the design, and assess the feasibility of the project. Second, design stage. The concept of the project is further developed and production information and contract documentation prepared. Tender are called. Third, construction stage. Production program are prepared and construction carried out on site. And the last one, operation and maintenance stage. The complete building is maintained, repaired, or altered as required over the course of its life. There are 4 project life cycle in construction. First, phase 1, conceptual phase. Phase 2, planning process. Phase 3, execution phase. Phase 4, termination phase. Conceptual phase determine that a project is needed, establish goal, estimate the resources that the organization willing to commit. Second, planning phase define the project organization approach, define the project's target, prepare the schedule for execution project. Execution phase perform the works of project, for example, design, construction, production, testing, delivery. Termination phase assist in transfer of project product, transfer human or non-human resources to others organization, transfer or complete commitment, terminate project. Activities during construction. Construction supervision. Preliminaries, demolition, excavation and foundation, concrete and bricks work, finish, M&E works, external works. Construction activities, variation order, progress payment, certificate of practical completion, certificate of fitness, CF. Key players of the construction project. The owner. The owner is the person who actually arrange money for particular. Owner is also called client. Second, architect. architect or engineer is a consultant on behalf of the owner. Engineer will take the responsibility of the owner to undertake the smooth execution of the project. Third, the contractor. Client have been engaging contractors to carry out building project construction works. The subcontractor is often responsible for a certain part of the works, such as electrical engineering, plumbing, and landscape. Supplier. Supplier is a party that supplies goods or services to the consumer. These are actually the people who provide construction material such as bricks, concrete, cement, and else. Consultant. The advice varies from the time to time depending on the stage of the project. Project planning and controlling. Define the work task of each entity in the project. Make decisions about the technology or equipment that will be used to successful completion of the project. Avoid delay and cost overrun. Avoid risk and track progress. The task of controlling help to determine the objective or within reach. Effective project control used to deliver timely project information that allow managers to take corrective measures to keep project on track. The element of the project controlling is the budget, forecasting, action plan, milestone, and tools. A successful construction. First, implementation continuous planning. Construction manager should start planning long before a project begins and continue to revise and develop the plans until the project's end. The design, pre-construction, and procurement stage of each construction project require immense planning. Each may need to be revised as the next phase begins. Build an effective flow of communication. Communication is crucial in every phase of any construction project. Building an effective communication flow facilitates coordination between all parties and stakeholders. Third, control costs the smarter way. The permit, wages, material, and equipment for projects are often exchanged between multiple financial sources and vendors. From the initial building process to the terminate project, construction managers are responsible to track and monitor all costs, those related to the initial budget. And the last one, reevaluate your workflow. The purpose of the construction project is to ensure the project complete on time, within budget, and reach the target. Even the project runs well, you still need to evaluate it. There might be better ways to manage the project and overcome issues.